Welcome to AtlasIED and our new line of professional mixer amplifiers called AA-PHD Series. The AA-PHD Series is the perfect business music and paging solution, frequently used in a number of applications. With 5 versions provided, you can choose the right model by how many audio inputs are being connected and how much output power is required for your loudspeaker system. The AA-PHD has an innovative self-diagnostic system called Push Here Diagnostics, or PHD. With a press of this button, it tests your loudspeaker cables and loudspeaker devices. It automatically identifies any mismatches, shorts, or underpowered errors. Here is an example. An installer can quickly test the system's integrity after the installation is complete, or later allow the user to diagnose a problem before a service call may be required. Here is our AA-PHD model. Connectivity to any AA-PHD model is made easy. It has capability to power both distributed 70-volt loudspeakers or 4 and 8 ohm loudspeaker systems, and it's flexible enough for a wide selection of different audio inputs. The AA-PHD can be used in a wide variety of applications. Here is a general use case within a typical restaurant or bar application. The AA-PHD provides mixer amplification for paging, business music, and audio support for video displays. We recommend the AA-PHD model for this example. For input sources, you can connect devices such as microphones and telephone paging. It also provides the ability to connect a music player and audio from your TV source. Another really awesome feature is the AtlasIED remote Wallplate with volume control and source selection. You can dynamically switch between audio sources and adjust the loudspeaker level. Now, you can control the sound system from a remote location. For instance, the bartender can control the system from behind the bar without ever touching the amplifier located in the manager's office. The AA-PHD provides 100 watts of amplifier power. You can connect a wide selection of AtlasIED loudspeakers, including our new Strategy 3 series in-ceiling loudspeakers. The AA-PHD is the perfect solution for business music and paging applications, providing Push Here Diagnostics and remote level source control. Another innovative commercial audio solution from AtlasIED. Learn more about AA-PHD series and other AtlasIED innovations at AtlasIED.com.